To transfer from Crypto.com to Uphold, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have an account on both platforms and that you have completed the necessary verification processes. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Accounts page. Here, you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your Uphold wallet. To find this, log into your Uphold account and navigate to the Wallet section. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Add Funds button. Then select the cryptocurrency and choose the Receive via Crypto option. This will display the Uphold wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient address field on Crypto.com. Be sure to double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as incorrect addresses can result in lost funds. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Make sure the amount and address are correct. Then confirm the transaction. The transfer may take some time to process, depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. You can track the status of the transfer on the blockchain or through your Uphold account. Once the transfer is complete, the funds will be available in your Uphold account. It is essential to note that transfer fees and minimum withdrawal amounts may apply, so be sure to check the terms and conditions of both platforms before making the transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your cryptocurrencies from Crypto.com to Uphold. Always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions. And never share your private keys or wallet addresses with anyone.